getting the cabin lights for takeoff. Individual reading light controls on each seat. It's our honor to care for you on your journey. If you have any questions, please refer to your safety card or ask any of the crew members as they do their final cabin check. And as always, let us know if there's anything we can do to make your time with us more enjoyable.
Thank you for watching our safety demonstration. Federal regulations prohibit smoking, including the use of e-cigarettes and vaping devices at any time aboard the aircraft. These devices may not be plugged into any power source, including USB ports and AC outlets. If you are wearing a face covering in the event oxygen mask dropped from overhead compartment, remove your face covering before placing the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. We are coming to the aisle now for our final safety checks. We appreciate you choosing American. We invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
Not yet.
Sí, tú quieras, vamos,